Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to create these awesome backgrounds in Adobe After Effects. I hope you enjoy the video and let's begin. First, we will create this footage. Create a new composition. Set the width to 2560 and the height to 1440. The rest of the settings are up to you. Next, create a solid layer. In the Effects panel, search for Grid and apply it to the layer. Set corner to 1542 and 981. Now let's create waves using turbulent displays. Change amount from 50 to 30. At the start of the composition, set a keyframe at 0 and at the end, set it to 18. Looks good. For the final touch, apply this effect. Set the parameters as shown on the screen. Here is the final result. Now let's move on to the second background. After creating the composition and a new layer, add the fill effect. Change the color to white. Next, apply Venetian blinds and turbulent displays. Just follow my steps and you will get the same result. Also, don't forget to animate the background. At the start of the video, set it to 0 and at the end, set it to 6 full rotations. Now, add the final effect. Set the parameters to 250 and 60. That is all. If you want, you can download the exported footage from my Telegram channel. See you next time. Goodbye.